Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. In today's episode, we delve into a fascinating hadith that unveils the unique approach of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in times of war, specifically when it comes to refraining from attacking people in non-Muslim lands upon hearing the Adhan. He would often initiate attacks at dawn, but here's the intriguing part: he would listen for the Adhan. If the call to prayer echoed, he would halt the attack. If not, the offensive would proceed. In one instance, the Prophet heard a man proclaiming, "Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest." Immediately, the Prophet recognized the voice of faith and remarked that the man was following the natural disposition of Islam. As the man continued with the Shahada, declaring, "I testify that there is no God but Allah," the Prophet declared that the man had emerged from the fire of hell. It was a powerful acknowledgement of the transformative power of the Shahada. In a twist, the onlookers were surprised to find that the source of this profound faith was a simple goat herder. The Prophet's wisdom teaches us the importance of acknowledging faith, wherever it may be found.